Are you looking for computer repairs? If so, you have found the right source. Welcome to Giga Impact Computer Repairs. Yeah, and this is what we do 24/7. We do repairs for laptop, also desktop hardware, software. We also repair tablets, software problem, hardware. We also repair mobile devices. We also do unlocks, updates. So your mobile device problems are being taken care of. You really don't want to be this guy. You don't want to be this guy spending money over and over for repairs. So let's do it right the first time, yeah? You want to be this person, you want to be stress-free, you want to be stress-free, you know, no virus, fast computer, you want to be stress-free. So yeah, you have a problem, just give us a call, just let us know, give us your problem. If you're experiencing problem, you want to be this guy, give us a call. Don't make it get to your head. You don't want that to happen. You don't want to be able to just smash your own computer or phone. So give us a call, let's know what's going on. We can assist you. We are on Facebook. We are on YouTube, where you can watch our videos. In repairing a computer, it takes skills, technique, and knowledge. Giga Impact Computer Repairs is rated and recommended by others. A good service give any business or service a good name, and this is what we promote, yeah?